Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert TIFF to PDF. So let's have a look now. To convert TIFF to PDF, I'm gonna use this website called Convert.io. Open your web browser and go to this website. Once you are on this website, you can choose your files from different options. You can drag and drop your file here or choose one from your computer. Click on Choose Files, then find and select the file. Click on Open. After that, click on this arrow and select PDF from the list. Then click on Convert. This may take a few seconds to convert your file. There you go. Now you can download the converted file. To do this, click on Download. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.